Is the SUD Life Fortune Royal plan the key to achieving your long-term financial dreams, or are there smarter options waiting to be explored? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. This is a non-linked deferred participating individual savings life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: you have the flexibility to choose both the premium payment term and the policy term, and you get guaranteed maturity benefit on completion of the policy. You have the option to change your premium payment frequency, and there are tax benefits available as well. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are plan options like income benefit, lump sum benefit, and child future secure options. And there are benefits like death benefit, maturity benefit, cash bonus, waiver of premium benefit, all available. So, and some of the advantages of investing in this policy are: there are loans available for up to 70% of the surrender value, and you also get guaranteed additions and bonuses which boost the maturity benefit under benefit option 2 lump sum benefit and benefit option 3 child future secure. And there are riders which provide additional protection, and you have the flexibility to select a plan based on your cash flow requirements, and premium waiver comes as a built-in feature under benefit option 3, which is child future secure. And there are some drawbacks as well, which is the sum assured is insufficient to provide adequate financial security for a family. Both the policy term and premium payment term lacks flexibility, and the returns offered in this policy are relatively low compared to other options. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis to help us make a more informed decision. So if you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy, you can definitely look into the policy brochure. So here we are going to calculate the internal rate of return based on the policy brochure's benefit illustration. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 40-year-old male has opted for this policy with a sum assured of 10.5 lakhs and 11-year policy term and a 5-year premium payment term. So he pays an annual premium of 1 lakh under option 2, which is lump sum benefit, and receives maturity proceeds, which are guaranteed additions plus bonuses at the end of the policy term. So at 4% return assumption, which is the worst case scenario, the maturity benefit is 5.65 lakhs, giving an IRR of 1.37% as per the policy's maturity calculator. Even a savings bank account offers better returns with higher liquidity compared to this. At an 8% return assumption, which is the best case scenario, the maturity benefit is 7.57 lakhs, giving an IRR of 4.70% as per the policy's maturity calculator. This is still lower than bank fixed deposits. So both outcomes fall short of typical debt instrument return and fail to beat inflation, leading to an erosion of purchasing power over time. Moreover, the sum assured is inadequate to provide meaningful financial protection for the family. Considering these limitations, this policy does not emerge as a favorable investment choice. Now, as we have a basic idea and then know that this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis, where we are going to explore an alternative strategy in which we are going to use the same premium we use for the SUD policy, but instead of investing in a combined policy like that, we are going to split it and invest in insurance and investments separately. So in the earlier scenario, the plan offered a life cover of 10.50 lakhs. A comparable pure term insurance policy providing the same cover would cost only 14,100 rupees annually for a 11-year term with a 5-year premium payment period. This leaves us with 85,900 rupees per year available for investments, which can be directed according to one's risk appetite. So for conservative investors, debt instruments like the Public Provident Fund can be a safe option. For growth-oriented investors, equity-based options such as equity mutual funds can deliver better long-term results. So if the surplus premium is invested in an equity mutual fund, the accumulated fund value at the end of the term would be around 12.06 lakhs, which is the pre-tax value. After deducting capital gains tax, the post-tax value stands at 11.24 lakhs, translating to a post-tax IRR of 9.33%. And if you want to know how we have calculated the tax for this aspect, we do have presented a small tabular column for it, which is for your easy reference. You can pause and see. So this term insurance plus mutual fund strategy not only beats inflation but also offers better liquidity compared to a traditional life insurance plan. It enables sustainable long-term wealth creation. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the SUD Life Fortune Royal plan worth it or not? So this policy provides life cover along with income or maturity benefits depending on the chosen option. So premiums are payable for a limited period, after which you receive either an income benefit or a maturity payout. Among the options, only plan option 3 includes an inbuilt premium waiver feature. Beyond this, the plan offers little uniqueness and the returns remain modest for a long-term investment. Moreover, the sum assured is inadequate to offer a family's essential financial needs. This makes the plan ineffective on both fronts, insurance and investment. With low returns, limited coverage, and no standout features, it does not justify a place in a well-structured portfolio, and it also has a high agent commission. For stronger financial protection, opt for a pure term insurance policy with sufficient coverage, which is usually available at affordable premiums. To meet long term goals, build a diversified investment portfolio aligned with your risk profile and time horizon.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.